Okay, I am back at Covent Garden. This morning we're gonna check out the Transit Museum. No, Transport Museum. And then after that we're gonna take the Eurostar to Paris. So we're gonna eat here. All they sell is chicken tenders, so we're gonna try it out to see if we like it. I'll let you know. Okay, so this restaurant only serves buffalo and chicken tenders. I mean, buffalo and honey chicken tenders. So I'm gonna try the buffalo one. Hmm? Not bad, it's pretty good. It's a lot thinner than the ones in the US. But they are pretty good. Now I'm gonna try the honey. Okay. It's really good. Crusty, crunchy, sweet, but salty. It's a good mix. Okay, I have my shaken espresso from Starbucks, and now we're about to go to the transport. Let's see how this goes.